Hello. I'm standing by the bus stop. Waiting for my bus. I'm going to start work in like an hour and a half. But if you live here, you have to wait for buses or wait for work or whatever. Damn seagulls! Can they just be quiet? I'm trying to vlog here. I hate seagulls. They scare me. Look at them. You hear how they're sounding? Oh my god, don't attack me. I'm gonna pee myself. Anyways. I was in Uppsala with Linnea yesterday. So check out Punk Circles on YouTube because we put out a lot of movies. Can you leave? God, seagulls. Yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog with you later because this is kinda annoying. Bye.